If you want to view payroll reports in WebWork, you can do that by going down to Reports, then go down to Payroll. From here, you'll be able to view all the transactions that have been made throughout your workspace. Firstly, here we have the payee, the amount, the created date, coverage period, and status. So for example, if we take a look at this transaction, we can see that this member was supposed to be paid $20. This transaction was created on October 7th, and the coverage period is from September 29th until the October 5th. And we can also see the status. Then here at the top we have different filters, so you can filter by members, teams, titles, payment methods, payment status, source, currency, and time period. Then you can select what columns will appear, so for example team, title, source, amount, created date, and so on. From here you can also drag and drop these columns to customize this to your liking. So for example you can put created date first and amount third. Now if you want to create charts, you can go into the chart section, and then from here you can create a chart. So firstly here we have different filters such as members, teams, titles, payment methods, payment status, source, currency, and time period. Then over here on the right you can actually customize the chart. So here we can customize the chart type, so either line chart, area chart, bar chart, and so on. Then here at the bottom you can customize the color scheme, and finally here at the bottom you can customize the data. So for example here you can choose what to show, what each slice represents, and the currency. So for example I can go ahead and choose to show teams, and I want each slice to represent number of payments, and the currency to be USD. And here you can see the chart has been created. And finally here we have omit zero values. So if there are any values that are zero, they'll not be shown on the chart. Now if you want to export this chart, you can go to the top right corner and click export, and from here you can export it as a PDF file. Now if you want to share this information with someone who doesn't have access to WebWork, you can go ahead and export it in the top right corner. So if I go ahead and press export, I can export it as a CSV, Excel, or PDF file. Then I can go ahead and press send. So from here I can either send by email, so I go ahead and write the email address, subject, message, select the file type, and select what columns will be included, and press send. Or I can go ahead and just simply copy this link. This way someone who doesn't have access to WebWork can still view the data. As you can see, I do not have access to WebWork, but I can still view the data. And lastly, we have scheduled reports. So from here you can write the email address, subject, message, then select the file type, the columns that will be included, how frequently you want to receive this report, the report period. Then after that you should select the time zone and the time you want to receive this report. Now after saving the scheduled report, you'll be receiving automated reports.